Smoothies come with a multitude of benefits, no doubt. They're an easy way to pack in a variety of nutrients in one go. Think about it. How often would you eat a whole banana, a cup of spinach, and a handful of berries in one sitting? Probably not very often, but put them all in a blender and voila! You've got yourself a nutrient powerhouse. Not to mention, smoothies can be incredibly convenient. In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, who has the time to sit down for a full meal? With smoothies, you can get a quick, nutrient-dense meal on the go. And the best part? You can customize them to your taste and nutritional needs. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Smoothies do have their downsides. When you blend fruits and vegetables, you break down the natural fiber, which slows digestion and helps you feel full. So, despite consuming the same number of calories, a smoothie might not keep you as satisfied as eating whole fruits and vegetables would. Additionally, it's easy to go overboard with the sweet stuff. A dash of honey here, a scoop of protein powder there, and before you know it, your healthy smoothie has more sugar than a can of soda. And let's not forget, not all ingredients are created equal. Some fruits and vegetables are high in sugars and calories. So, while you might think you're doing your body a favor, you could be unwittingly adding to your daily calorie intake. In the grand scheme of things, smoothies can be a great addition to a balanced diet. They can provide a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. But beware of the potential pitfalls. Mind your portions, be careful with your ingredients, and remember, a smoothie is not a magical elixir, but a tool to supplement a healthy lifestyle. So, are smoothies really healthy? Like most things in life, the answer isn't black and white. It depends on how you make them and how they fit into your overall diet. It's all about balance, moderation, and making informed choices. After all, health isn't a destination, it's a journey. And on this journey, smoothies can be your companions, provided you steer clear of the bumps along the way.